Okay, let's dive in. If you're managing, a really big setup like a major sports book, tons of screens everywhere, or maybe a huge security command center, the big headache isn't just hanging the TVs.
No, not at all.
It's how you control maybe nearly 100 different displays fast and efficiently, all from one place. So today we're doing a deep dive into what makes that possible. We're looking at high-capacity AV over IP matrix systems, specifically the WolfPack PoE HDMI series.
Right, and what's really interesting, I think, is how the tech itself solves that scale problem. These aren't just for a few TVs. We're talking systems built for up to 96 TVs in some configurations.
96?
Yeah, and they offer that full any input to any output routing. The key tech enabling this, it's AV over IP, audio video over your network, combined with PoE power over Ethernet.
Ah, PoE, so just one cable needed.
Exactly. A standard CT6 network cable carries the video signal and the power. Think about the wiring headache that solves in these massive venues. It's huge.
Okay, but using a standard 1 gig network switch for potentially almost 100 HD video streams, that sounds like pushing it a bit, technically speaking.
Well, yeah, it does sound tight.
If you're setting 1080p across regular network gear, you need some serious efficiency, right?
Yeah.
Is that 80 millisecond switching and latency they talk about? Is that down to really good compression? Or is there a catch, like maybe picture quality?
That's a fair question. They lean heavily on H.264 or, more importantly, H.265 compression protocols. H.265 is, well, it's key.
The newer one.
Right. It's much more efficient. That's what lets them squeeze almost 100 HD streams onto a standard 1 gig copper line without, clogging the network. And that saves a ton on infrastructure costs.
Okay.
And they hit that super fast 80 millisecond latency because, well, imagine watching sports or tracking something important. Any noticeable delay is just confusing. It wouldn't work.
Right. Instant switching is crucial.
Absolutely. And they've also made sure it's HDCP compliant for copyright stuff and SEC security compliant, which is important for businesses. Plus, you can run that Seed 6 cable up to 450 feet. That's quite a distance.
Okay, let's shift from the cables and speeds to the user side, because controlling it all seems like where these systems could really shine or, fall flat.
Yeah, the interface is critical.
They mentioned control via WiFi using iPad and Android apps. But the bit that caught my eye was this wireless real-time video preview. What's that exactly? You see the video before you switch.
Precisely. Get this. You're managing maybe 50 different video feeds. Instead of just seeing input 27, your iPad literally shows you a live preview of what's on input 27.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So you know exactly what you're sending to which screen. For a busy control room, that cuts out mistakes instantly. It's a game changer for high-pressure situations.
I can see that. Less guesswork.
Totally. And that visual control also powers their drag-and-drop video walls feature. You can basically draw the video wall layout you want, any size, any number of them, right there on the app.
Drag and drop. That sounds easy.
It is super flexible. And they even offer optional 90, 180, 270-degree rotation for screens. Think digital signage possibilities.
Okay, and drilling down further, these WolfPad tablet controls. It's not just input switching, is it? They mentioned sending specific channels, like DirecTV channels.
Yeah, exactly. You can control popular sources directly. DirecTV, DIsh, cable boxes, even Roku channels. You can tell the system, send ESPN from DirecTV Box 3 to TVs 10 through 15.
Ah, okay. So you're not just switching HDMI 1 to screen 5. You're controlling the source device, too.
You got it. Makes reconfiguring a bank of TVs super fast. Go from showing all different sports channels to, say, one important announcement across all screens. Plus, you get the basics, turning groups of TVs on-off, seeing a floor plan layout, controlling audio zones. It's pretty granular.
That level of control, especially with a proprietary tablet system, brings up the cost aspect.
And that leads to something important they highlight about the money side. A big selling point is no monthly license fee.
Right. That's interesting. So you buy the hardware, and that's it. No ongoing software subscription.
Seems like it. It shifts the whole cost model.
Yeah, because for a big system, they list an example, like a 50 input, 96 output setup with a preview feature for around $24,000.
Which is a significant upfront investment, definitely.
But if you compare that to cloud solutions that often charge per screen per month, avoiding those license fees over, say, 5 or 10 years, that could add up to massive savings. It becomes purely a capital expense, not an ongoing operational one.
Exactly. It's a different philosophy targeting that total cost of ownership.
Okay, so if we pull this all together.
Yeah, to sort of synthesize it. What we're seeing is a system designed to tackle huge scale, Up to 96 screens, remember, by using smart compression like H.265 and efficient PoE cabling.
While keeping things really fast, that A to B switching.
Right, super fast performance. And then tying it all together with this very visual, app-based control system that seems like it genuinely simplifies running these really complex AV environments, the real-time preview, the drag-and-drop walls. It's about making complexity manageable.
So here's something to think about then. Given that deep control, right down to specific source channels like DirecTV or Roku, and the ability to instantly move that content anywhere, how does that speed of reconfiguration change the game for places like, say, public information displays during an event, or maybe even major emergency command centers? How fast you can change what people see? That seems like a fundamental shift, something for you to chew on.